Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Cat S53 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically we have to start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. I will start with the gestures. If you've got the gestures, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. After releasing the finger, your device will show you the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, all you have to do is to tap on this square icon here. And as you can see, we've got the recents. Basically, all we have to do right now is to find the app we would like to close and swipe it up just like that. But of course, if you want to close all of them, just tap on clear all. And now we can go back and check. And as you can see, we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.